Hello, this is Christina Stevens, our Registrar at Maine Maritime Academy. This video is going to cover academic plans and how to read them, how to understand them to work with your advisees. First, let's cover what an academic plan is. Academic plan lists degree requirements based on the year the student entered the academy. It lists all the required coursework, and then it also gives you when the student should take those courses. You and your advisee should refer to their individual academic plan for planning purposes. This is really important because academic plans change year to year potentially, and also when a student changes their major, their academic plan is going to change according to that new major as well. And finally, the Registrar's Office uses the academic plan for the final degree audit of the student. So here is a screenshot of an academic plan, and I want to just cover some important symbols and headings really quickly. So the first thing are some symbols over here I have highlighted. First is the hourglass. Any course that you have an hourglass next to means that it's in progress or hasn't received a grade yet. So any of your advisees' classes that they're currently working on and not finished yet will have an hourglass next to them. A check mark means that the course is complete, and any course that has a check mark means that they have a final grade entered for the course and it is a passing grade for the course. The objective for graduation is to have check marks next to all of the required courses for the student to graduate. Next, we have some category headings. So this first one up here is first year semester 1, as it also indicates here. So this tells a student in their first year, their first semester, they need to take these courses. So it gives you the course ID number, and it also gives you the name of the course. To the left-hand side, you can see some of those symbols listed. So this person has a check mark next to pre-calculus, which means it is done. And then they have an hourglass next to composition, so that means that they're currently working on that course or are registered for it. Another category heading here is first year semester 1 PE. So it's also important, not only you want to make sure that you look at all of the category headings for the semester that the student is in. Here it gives a PE and a percentage symbol. The percentage symbol is used as a wild card in the system. So what that means is any course that has PE as the prefix will fill this category for the student. One other piece that the student wants to be aware of is that it also indicates the total number of credits and also the minimum number of courses to complete this category. So for this one, the student has to complete a half a credit of PE to complete this category, and it has to be at least one course to complete the category as well. Here's another example. This one is covering first year semester 2. So in the second year of the first year, the student should take these courses from their academic plan. And this academic plan also requires a PE for their second semester of their first year. So it lists that down below as well. I also want to point out that the text here of the course IDs are blue because they are hyperlinks. And what that means is that if you click on the text or the course ID, it will take you to the catalog and give you a full course description, and it also will allow you to search sections to see if there are any which sections are available in the term that they are registering for. It's a very versatile tool. Here is another close-up of a section of an academic plan. This one is for a humanities social science elective. That's the HMSS acronym. So we have this one. They have to take one course as the minimum to complete it, and it has to be 3 credits. So they can't take a 2-credit course and complete this category. It has to be a 3-credit course. And then once again, we have those wild cards, and these are not inclusive of every course, because we have our arts and sciences elective list that does list everything, but all EC courses, all HC, all HY, and all PY courses that are not required for the students in their required courses can be used in this category. Some other examples is, for example, we have NV courses. Only a few of them will count in this category, so I can't list that with a wild card because then it would fill all NV courses here. So we have to then modify as a student completes an NV course and wants to use it as a humanities social science elective. If it qualifies, then we can modify the student plan for them if they let us know. So that is something you can also have in a meeting with them, and in determining where they want their courses that they've taken to fill into their electives. Then a quick email to the registrar's office, and it can have us review the elective and determine that yes, it can fill that other category. So we can move electives for students. Something that is in a free elective spot maybe want to be used in a humanities social science category. We can make that change as long as it meets the requirements of the humanities social science elective. So again, the category headings, these list important numbers. It lists the minimum number of courses to complete the category, also the minimum number of credits to complete the category. The other piece that's really important to know about these category headings is once a student has fully completed a category heading and all courses within that category, there will be a check mark that appears next to that category heading as well. So it's another check mark to indicate that it is complete and that that category heading is done. That concludes the presentation on the academic plan. As always, please feel free to reach out to us with any questions that you may have on the academic plan. We welcome faculty to come and sit with us and we can go through it with them individually, or you can invite us into your department meetings and we can give a presentation there as well. We're best reached at extension 2441 or by email.